So in this video, I'm going to show how to buy a call option. I'm going to choose Apple, again, no particular reason. Now notice there's a menu in the bottom, and this is my dashboard, and I choose on the right hand side under the watch list, I choose Apple. Now notice there's a menu, chart, news, options, portfolio, and profile. I will select options. Now towards the bottom you will see single spread or select spread, but we're going to be making sure that it's actually a single order because we're simply going to buy a call option, a call, all strikes, and the puts. Now notice there's a maturity date April the 3rd, and there's a little arrow right next to it. I'm going to tap on that one. So notice we have different maturity dates, and let's go for Monday. Again, no particular reason, just for illustration purposes. The current price is $238. Let's buy something out of the money, meaning that it's actually a strike price that's above the current spot price. So let's go with $245. The left hand side are the call options, and then the strike price is right in the middle. Bid prices are the prices that you can sell at, or you could get listed on the bid price and hoping that somebody will sell at or sell to you. Ask price is the best price that someone is selling, so you could actually buy from ask price or buy at the ask price. Or if you're selling, you could get listed under the ask price and then wait until somebody buys from you. So 245 we want to buy, and we want to buy right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the ask price, 585. Now this is the order editor. Notice we have the Apple 100W, that's a weekly, 9 April, that's next Friday, and then 7 days of maturity that we have left. It's a 245 call option, and then the price is 585. Just want to make sure that it actually goes through, so I'm going to type in 625. Just to make sure that I'll buy this and I don't have to wait. It says the quantity is 10 contracts. I'm going to change that to a single contract, and then that's about it. Just make sure that you're buying it with a limit order, and then whatever quantity you want it to have, whatever stock and whatever limit price. Paper trade, and then make sure, just a second confirmation buy, one contract of Apple 100 shares weeklies, 9 April 2020, 245 call at that price. Paper trade, order was sent. So under the normal working orders, notice the filled order, we have actually purchased it at 615. So this is how you buy a call option.